Hey guys, it's Allie. Today I'm doing a Christmas room tour. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will not be talking for a long time in the intro. I just have a few updates from my last room tour video that I thought might be fun, and let's get into it. Okay, we can start over by my door. So as you walk closer to my door, you can see these little bells that I have on my door handle, and then my Christmas tree that I like to put up every single year, and currently a fresh balsam candle, which smells so good. Okay, and then to the left, you'll see the space that's next to my bed, and it just has my bedside table and my watch charging right now, and like my other phone charger and my AirPod charger. And I just have the same stuff that I've had on my bedside table this whole time. I have the card for my grandma, a chapstick that I'm kind of finishing, it's the Laneige lip balm, a pillow spray, some earplugs because I cannot sleep with any noises. I just cannot take it. My alarm clock, and if you're interested in this marble alarm clock, I will link it down in the description. And then this coaster that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just like gold, and I guess it kind of looks like a geode, but not really. It's a little shiny, kind of cool. And then an update from the last room tour I did, I have a picture of my boyfriend and I right there hanging on the wall. If we pan over to my bed, you'll see that everything is basically the same. I just have a pillow now that's very Christmassy that my aunt gave me. Okay, and then to the left of my bed, I have my little Yoda dressed like Santa and R2 dressed like a reindeer. And they're both bobbleheads. I love them so much, and I put them out for Christmas. Then if we head over to my desk, you'll see I have a fun and festive wallpaper on my computer. I love changing the wallpaper on this computer. It's so fun, and it's really hard to find some HD images, like so HD, that look nice on the screen because it's giant in my opinion. So yeah, and you'll see around my monitor stand, I have some lights here. I switched out the pumpkin ones that I had, if you saw my vlog. Okay, so another update is now I have curtains. So that's really fun. I have a really hard time sleeping, so I needed these blackout curtains. And these lights are they're little candy cane lights. So there's like blue, pink, green, red, and they're just draped over my curtains. They kind of fall off sometimes, but it's the best that I could do. If I open the curtains a little bit, you can see I have two little Christmas trees right here and a really cute plant. But yeah, these two Christmas trees were just from the dollar section at Target. I have one more Christmas update. I moved my Xbox from over here, and now I have a little tree that can light up and a candle. I'll show you guys the room in the dark. This is what my room looks like in the dark with the little lights that I have. Here's my tree and my candle. And then over by my desk, I have my festive little Christmas lights all around my computer. And then I have, kind of hard to see, the little lights hanging on my curtains. So yeah, guys, I'll just do a little like pan around my room so you can see. That's what I have going on now. So if you stuck around to the end of this video, you get to see this really cool thing that I have. My two sisters, they made two little fan edit videos for me, and I am so grateful. Those videos made me cry, so I'm gonna include them now. And I just want to say I hope you guys have really happy holidays, and I am so grateful for anyone that watches any of my videos, especially to the end. So yes, let me roll those now, and thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you later.
Ryan Little.
Hi guys, Editing Allie here again. I just wanted to say that I'm so sad that those two videos that my sisters made couldn't have their original sounds because they had Billie Eilish music and another song that would have been written, I think is the correct grammar tense. But I also just wanted to say that the join the hive thing that's in both the first video and my new outro screen is a funny joke that my boyfriend made up. He calls all of my subscribers the hive, and he says that he's the leader of the hive because he likes my videos. And my sisters decided to join in on the fun of calling people the hive, so please don't take it to heart. I'm not like full of myself. I just thought it was so cute, and I am obsessed with those videos. Seriously, I know I already said it, but look at how cool my outro is. It'll play in a few seconds, but oh my gosh, that is so cool, and I don't even know how to do that. And my sister Allie made it, and she is 14, so I don't know. Give all the props to her in the comments, please, because she deserves them. So, okay, I'll catch you later. Bye.